Today I wanted to talk about OKLO. So let's talk about it. This is OKLO chart on the 1 hour time frame, and I believe that this chart is not only telling a story, but this chart is looking absolutely amazing. Now, I am going to be 100% transparent with you guys. As you guys can see right here, I have a buy range below $69. The share price went all the way down to $63 and is still below our marker here. Currently at around $67 after hours right now. But I did have my buy rating under 69 and I did miss my buy rating today. I am going to buy in tomorrow, I do believe. But it was unfortunate that I missed that because I definitely would have been looking in this 52 range just to see a little peak below this golden zone. But nonetheless, we'll get an entry just a little bit later and we'll still make a great profit here. But you guys can see how repeatable this chart is. I know that's not the correct grammar, and I'm also not going to be doing any editing in this video, so please bear with me. But you guys can see my little drawing right here says that we like to consolidate a little bit. We like to press off with this large impulse move, pull back on a large impulse move, and then one more large impulse to the top of this channel. Yet again, we come down, we have this little bit of chop, we have one large impulse, one pullback, one large impulse. So this leads me to believe that we could possibly see our one large pullback, a little bit of consolidation, and our massive explosion up. We could sell there or hold through the bottom here and then make another nice little bit of profit on the way up here. Now, we will talk about targets in just a minute, but there is also another thing to look at. These two right here are perfect ABC corrections. So an ABC correction is this first impulse wave down, followed by this, bounce on the way back up, and then another impulse leg down. Now you can see that one right there. You can also see this one right here, very clear. ABC move down, and then so from here we should start our consolidation phase into that extension and retracement and extension again. Now we have also played OKLO back here, making not only a profit on this move, not the whole thing, but a good chunk on that move, and a good profit on this move. We made about 200% on this one, and we made 100% and then 60% again, and then made 60% back here. But this name continues to play really not great financials. A lot of their stuff is forecasted forward. They don't even really have a revenue yet. But I do believe that this is a sector that is going to, flourish in the future. So, if a short-term hold plays into a long-term hodl type situation, that's fine. But for now, I like to just keep flipping this stock as they don't have the best financials, or really financials at all, like I said. But if you are hodling this stock, you have made a great profit, so I can't really knock it. But I am looking to get an entry back into this stock, so I did want to make a quick video letting you guys know, what I'm looking at right here. And then also pressing up here, once we do get up to these targets, my first target here is going to be breaking back above this blue line right here is our sell target from last time, but I would like to see share price get up around $88. And I would like to see something like this, and then possibly a pullback to right here, but realistically back to around right here where we do have this prior consolidation. And we have some resistance right there or support right there. Now, I do not think it will drop out of the channel. And comparing that to kind of what we've seen before, this is a similar look. Seeing us pull back down to, the bottom of this channel is pretty normal. And as for targets, like I said, I want to see this 88 level right here. And then to the top, I want to see 98, but I do think that we can get an extension up to around 106, which would be about 67% from our buy zone. And then from where we are today, that would be about 33% to our first target. And then roughly 79 per, or sorry, roughly 59% all the way up to the top there. But nonetheless, a really good return either way. And this name plays out very, very quickly. Like I said, I'm on the 1 hour time frame, and you guys can see how many setups there are right here. Just looking absolutely amazing. We've played so much of all of these moves, jumping in, jumping out. This is a great stock to take calls on. Obviously, do your own research. This is not financial advice, but I'm just saying from my personal experience, I do like playing this stock. So maybe take a shot on it. It could be for you. But I do really like the way that this looks. I did just want to make a really quick video updating you guys because I think it looks amazing. By this point, we will already have been bought into this stock. I'm posting this on Wednesday, August 20th, so I'm assuming you're watching this on August 21st. My birthday's tomorrow, so that's pretty sweet. Other than that, make sure you guys do click the first link in our bio if you guys have not checked out our free Discord. But I'm assuming if you guys stayed till the end, you're a real homie, so thank you. And join up. Come check us out. Also, leave a like, subscribe, do all those cool things. Low key forgetting what to talk about, but thank you guys for sticking